Oh, YouTube. Well, here's the step van we're going to be working on. It's a 1998 Chevy P30, and it's a big one. It's only got the door on this side, and you get an idea. Yeah, so no driver's door, which is a little odd, but then again, you know, delivery truck. So it was a bread truck. And it's from the back of the driver's seat back to the back, it's 18 feet, 93 inches wide, 7 foot tall. It's got we gotta deal with the couple of the gauges don't work, speedometer is a little off, but the big selling point for this thing, other than the size of it, is new engine and new transmission. I drove it home on the highway last night, and this thing has got some get up and go. And so right now I've got to take, it was, like I said, a bread delivery truck. I'm going to take these racks out, and we'll probably be able to reuse them somewhere. We'll see. And the one thing nice about this compared to like doing a schoolie is gutting it, is taking those two racks out. No seats, no old floor. It's a solid aluminum body, no rust. So like I said, no rust on the frame. What's sort of nice is it's got these behind the ribs, these little tracks where on the outside it's a, on the bus we call them rub rails, but you know, I suppose they would serve that same purpose. But on this, and it does obviously stiffen this whole thing up, but it gives me a nice spot for a wire chase, although in this case we're not going to be doing a whole lot of wiring, but I like having that there. We're gonna, now this little pocket right here is where the door slides into. Probably gonna have a cabinet in here so we can bring the insulation out and around. It is on all aluminum shell, so it's shielded to begin with. We are going to add insulation and more shielding. Ribs, this is what, it's almost 7 foot, it's like 6'8" or so up to here. So what we're going to do is come across and put in a false ceiling with really well insulated and shielded up there. So, I mean, we're talking like 4 inches, which is nice. The walls, I'm not sure, thinking 1 inch insulation, and then we'll put some strapping to be able to attach the walls to it. And like I said, up here the driver's seat's pretty nice, although driving this way, I like to have in the armrest. Wish I had these on the bus, but the way this is, it really didn't work for me. But heat works real well. There's a jump seat. We're going to keep the jump seat, and the idea up here is we're going to build a spot. She does have a couple of cats, and we're going to make it so that the cats have a place to hang out up there if they so choose. So that's pretty much the overview. Oh yeah, this roll-up type door, this is definitely going to go away. It rattles, it's loud, freak the cats out more than they need to be. So what we're going to do is take that right out of here. That's going to be one of the first things. And build a wall across here. We got an idea for a porch off the back that can fold up, but a wall with a back door. And right now I got to start thinking about the layout. I mean, first thing is going to be get insulated and get the walls up, insulate and put down the new subfloor, and then while we figure out where things are going to go. There's room back there. The gas tank is mounted behind the rear axle, so there's room back there for a gray water tank. I'm thinking one side or the other might be where a shower goes. So we'll see, and we got to talk it over whether or not we make like a bathroom across with a door to the outside on one side or the other instead of in the middle. I don't know. It's right now in the planning stages. So I've got to pull out, oh yeah, these, well, we've been kidding around as being stripper poles. I mean, they were there to keep all the racks of bread from sliding up when they hit the brakes. So this is going to come right out of here. And so nice steel, as well as those racks. And there was a couple of long angle iron racks that we took out of here. So with all that, hopefully, you know, we'll see. We're talking maybe some underbelly storage. Obviously, if I find tanks that'll use those the racks over the wheel wells. And well, it's sort of nice. Speaking of wheel wells, is the fact that they are rectangular. Don't worry about the weird hump, and I can insulate around them to deaden the sound. Driving this thing was like driving inside of a giant tin can. But there you go. That's pretty much the overview of it. And this whole, to get to the engine, this whole hood lift up, plus there's a doghouse. So, but yeah, that's what we're going to be working on. Gonna be fun. See you next one.
Jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and palm for your women.